A lot of you guys follow me on Facebook and Twitter. You know I've been in LA this whole week, so today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I usually do because I don't have my kitchen. I don't have food to put on my face. It's been really weird, but I've been having a great time. So here is something that I did while I was in LA. Alright, what's up? We're here at a gun range. Get in here! This is Richard Ryan.
What's happening?
And I'm terrified, like terrified.
Why are you scared?
Guns and shit.
Listen, you got two consummate YouTube professionals when it comes to firearms.
Oh yeah, great.
Richard Ryan and myself. So you have really nothing to worry about.
Gun professionals.
Yeah, we are.
Great. I signed away my life on a waiver for $15.
Yeah.
The whole way over here, she's sweating.
Did the paperwork we just filled out scare you?
Yeah, big time.
She's an organ donor. She's an organ donor, so it's all cool.
Yeah, anytime you're filling out paperwork that says, if you get shot, it's not our bad.
I'm glad you think this is so hilarious.
It really is.
It's great, it's great. Show the paper targets.
So there's our targets set up. And there's all our beautiful weapons. So we're gonna see how good you do. Now, no offense, you are a girl.
So
but
she has a...
Oh, look at those guns. We're gonna give you the benefit of the doubt, though. So here are the guns you're gonna be shooting. Do they look scary?
So, tell you how to kill.
Yeah, show her what's up.
It's an acquired skill. A firm grip on it. Lose tension in your arms. If you're too stiff, it'll like go like that.
Yeah.
It's really...
The recoil's not gonna like hit you in the face or anything.
Are you
though.
sure?
I'm positive. Okay, so Jenna's decided the first gun she's going to shoot is the super awesome AR-15. You ready?
Ugh.
Are you getting nervous?
Yeah.
So you'll go like here. Push it in like that. So use your thumb. Push down. There you go, like that. And so see how they stagger, like just take and do it.
You're doing it.
Use your thumb. Yeah, there you go. Just like that. So the clip's inside of it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take and drag it around. There's a round in there. I'm gonna put it on safety. So you just take and put it like that. And then hold it right there. Now look down inside of it.
Is this gonna hurt my face?
No. Just keep it right there. Now look down it. You ready? Look down. Pull the trigger.
Do I look like a bag of dicks?
You don't look like a bag of dicks, kid. All right?
I just shot a gun. Not just any gun. What was it? An AR-15.
AR-15.
Semi-automatic assault rifle, and I just crushed that part of the mountain over there.
She crushed it with a 223 shell. She crushed the whole mountain. Moved it all the way to Nevada.
And then it exploded, and then a unicorn came out, and it rode a rainbow all the way over.
It was epic.
to
Sorry,
Utah.
the camera died at that point, so
Yeah.
we'll get you guys
the
next
bullet?
time. High five on that crap.
Yes, Richard
awesome.
Ryan just made me shoot a gun, and I
Yes.
didn't die.
And she was safe about it. She was safe.
How do you feel? Describe how you feel.
I feel a little bit like, I don't know, an assault rifle might make you feel like a fucking licensed killer.
You feel badass.
Killed everyone. I probably shot like a beetle or something else. I definitely killed something.
She's an insect murderer.
Yeah, big time.
Murderer.
and I don't feel bad. Not at all. I'm Jenna Marbles.
And I'm Richard Ryan.
And I just fucking killed everything over there. I shot the gun 3 times. We're getting a little carried away here. I'm gonna tell everyone I know.
Get that name.
And if you guys want to check out more stuff from Richard Ryan, his channel, I'll link it below, but it's called Rated RR, like it said on his shirt. And he shoots stuff with guns, and it's really kind of cool. So yeah, I know this was a little bit different, but I hope you liked watching me freak out and be a big baby and then shoot a gun and then brag about it like I was a boss. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe to Richard's channel. I put out new videos every Wednesday, and I also have a vlog channel you can check out too, where I put up cool things that you can't find anywhere else on the internet, except maybe my Facebook or Twitter. Okay, now I'm getting on a plane. I'm going back to Boston. Bye!